Hey guys, my name is Patronn, and
I'm Brian Rodriguez.
this is Brian, guys, one of my sales managers. So Brian, I'm glad you made it to the show today.
Thank you for
Very
having me.
good. I wanted to talk to you about training. Right? How important is training on a daily basis? Not only for Brooklyn Mitsubishi and El Patron Training Camp, but also for what's coming in the 2019 year.
I do believe training plays a big fact into the mindset and how you start off your day. And I believe by training every single day, you keep your tools sharpened and you keep your axe very sharp, and it helps you out throughout the day and help you out facilitate the deals.
Now, how often you train?
We train every single day at
Okay.
10 o'clock in the morning, and we're training.
Guys, this is what we're talking about, okay? Daily training that he does. Not only we talk about new cars, how to close a deal, how to try a close, and these are the things that we're going to be teaching at the conference as well. So, Brian is a big part of our team, and we have big plans for 2019, right?
Yes.
Like we talked about, so I'm glad you joined the team. And how you like the culture here?
That's beautiful. Amazing. Energy's great. Place is amazing. Definitely got to come out here and check it out.
Guys, Brian has a lot of experience on new cars, okay, which I love about that. And we talked about, moving the brand and creating his own brand as well, which we talked about branding, right?
Yes.
Social media. So what we're doing. So we got big plans for 2019. So you don't want to miss this conference because we're going to be teaching you guys exactly the road to the sale. Not that you guys don't know the road to the sale, but what it is, like he said, to sharpen your tools on a daily basis, right? We're always learning. I'm always taking, webinars because I want to know what the industry's doing, and all the vendors come to me first because I'm the creator, right? I love to create, and I'm passionate about the business just like you are with training.
right.
And you're doing a great job, by the way.
Thank you.
So
Appreciate
thank you
it.
for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Guys, Brian, one of the top sales managers here. We're doing big things for 2019, so you can only imagine. We got big plans for 2019, all right? So check out the conference. Click the link below. Call Brian if you have any questions. All right, let's make it 2019 great again. Let's do this. Peace.
Peace.